Most people think retirement planning is about money, but it's not. It's about the decisions you make when retirement feels far away and the price you pay when it suddenly isn't. What I'm about to share isn't popular advice, but it's the difference between working because you want to and working because you have no choice. When people imagine retirement, they picture freedom, travel, rest, and time. But for millions of Americans, retirement looks very different. It looks like stress, medical bills, and anxiety about running out of money. And the scary part is that most of them didn't do anything obviously wrong. They just waited too long. By the end of this video, you'll understand why retirement planning has less to do with income and more to do with time, habits, and simple decisions almost no one explains clearly. Most people delay retirement planning because they believe they'll start when they earn more. That moment rarely comes. Life gets more expensive, responsibilities increase, and time quietly disappears. Retirement planning isn't about having extra money lying around. It's about creating a system early, before life becomes complicated. That's why people with average incomes who start early often retire, better than high earners who start late. The truth most people ignore is that time matters more than money. Not income, not intelligence, time. Compound interest rewards consistency, not perfection. Money grows slowly at first, then accelerates quietly over decades. The tragedy is that most people truly understand this only after they've already lost the advantage of time. Let me ask you something. At what age did you first seriously think about retirement? Take a second and think about it. And if you're comfortable, share it in the comments. You'll realize how common it is for people to start thinking about retirement much later than they wish they had. Most people don't fail at retirement planning because they're lazy or irresponsible. They fail because of fear. Fear of investing. Fear of market crashes. Fear of making the wrong decision. So they do nothing. But doing nothing isn't neutral. It's a decision with consequences. Inflation doesn't pause, time doesn't wait, and money sitting still slowly loses its power. Avoiding risk feels safe until it becomes the biggest risk of all. Retirement planning isn't about quitting work. It's about control. Control over your time, your choices, and your future. Real planning is simple and honestly a little boring. You spend less than you earn. Save consistently, invest for the long term, and increase contributions as your income grows. There are no secret hacks or shortcuts, just discipline repeated over time. If this video is helping you think differently, hit the like button. It tells YouTube this kind of honest conversation is worth sharing. And it helps more people hear something they were never taught.
One of the biggest mistakes people make is underestimating small actions. They believe saving a little doesn't matter, but it does. Small habits create momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence creates consistency, and consistency creates results. The goal isn't to impress anyone, it's to protect your future self. Starting small today will always beat waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. Now imagine two futures. In one, retirement feels uncertain. You worry about expenses, delay medical care, and keep working because you have to. In the other, your bills are covered, choices are available, and work is optional. The difference between those futures isn't luck, it's preparation. Retirement planning doesn't remove uncertainty, but it dramatically reduces regret. If financial freedom matters to you, follow this channel. More videos like this are coming, and they're all focused on helping you make clearer decisions about your future. Retirement planning doesn't feel urgent until suddenly it is. And by then, time is the one thing you can't buy back. Start where you are. Use what you have. Stay consistent. Your future self is depending on the choices you make today. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and remember, freedom isn't accidental. It's planned.